So hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video we're gonna learn how you can add music to your Instagram pictures. So the process is quite simple. Just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. So first of all you need to do, you have to click on this plus icon in the bottom, and once you're there, this gallery will be displayed to you. Now you have to select your picture. So in my case, let's say I'm going to select this one and click on next. And over here, obviously you have to select the filter. You can choose just according to your picture. So I think this is good. Again, click on next, and over there you will find add music. So just simply click on add music. Now you can easily add a suitable music just according to your picture from here. So let's choose a music, and alright, so after selecting the music, click on check mark and then again click on check mark. And here we go. So you can see the music is added to my picture. So this is basically how you can add music to your Instagram pictures. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.